So today we're here at Walzem Park, and Walzem Park is a mobile home community. We have 3 lots here, and we will be going through all of them because today is actually very exciting. Today we have AC being put into all 3 of these homes, and the reason we're getting AC in these is not only to cool everyone off, but to make sure everyone stays cool at our open house this Saturday. So we have an open house this Saturday, July 15th, from 10 a.m. to 2 p.m. here at Walzem Park. We'll be showing all 3 lots. And these are all of our true home builds. We have the Thrill, the Marvel, and the Bachhoven. So let's start this tour. So Walzem Park actually does have a couple amenities that they offer everyone. There's a community clubhouse, a swimming pool, there's on-site management, and it is gated, so you get that security. We want to make sure that our customers are nice and safe. And there's 8 acres of nature. There's fishing ponds, playgrounds, recs, picnic tables, barbecue pits, and a lot more. So now that we've learned about Walzem Park, let's make our way through the first home. This is home 219, which is the Thrill. So like I said, we're getting AC put in for our open house this Saturday from 10 to 2, and you'll actually see them putting in the AC units in this Thrill today, so that'll be super exciting. So the Thrill is a double wide home, and here we are in this beautiful kitchen and area. And again, this is the Thrill, the True Homes Thrill. It is a 3-bed, 2-bath, and if you heard that gust of wind, that was the AC turning on in our home. So we have the first bedroom over here, the first of 3. And again, 3-bedroom, 2-bath. So closet, a huge closet for this room. 2-bath and 1,475 square feet. So that was the first bed, second bedroom. And the closet, again, beautifully spacious closets in these homes. And again, this is our double wide, and this is one of the 3 double wide lots that we have left on this lot. And all of these homes that we're about to show are actually under 100,000. So make sure you come to our open house if that sounds like an amazing deal to you, because it definitely sounds like an amazing deal to me. This is the master, the 3rd bedroom with the bathroom. And here is the first bathroom. You can hear that AC turning on, which is amazing. This huge closet for the master. And definitely feels nice being in this AC, especially on these hot summer days. So this is our Thrill once again. Again, all of the homes I'm about to show have reached under 100,000, and it is the most affordable homes we are currently offering. They are double wides, and they're the only double wides left here in Walzem Park. And again, Walzem Park offers all those amazing amenities. And to make it even better, we have our AC being put in right now, live as we are going. And the kitchen. And then we have our next property, which is the Marvel. Marvel like the superheroes. And you have the back porch. Beautiful back porch over here. Make your way down. And you come across and you see our beautiful Marvel. This is lot 218. This is the Marvel. And again, a true home build, a double wide. So let's see what this home brings. And here is our AC unit running, our new AC unit working beautifully. So we're making our way into the Marvel here. Again, this is the 2nd out of 3 homes here in Walzem Park. These are only double wides left, and all of the homes that we are showing right now are currently under 100,000. This is the next house that we will be putting an AC unit into right about now. So here we are in the Marvel. This is a 4-bed and a 2-bath with 1,475 square feet. And it was originally priced at $123,218, and is now marked down again for under $100,000. And the new pricing here will include skirting, decks, pavements, and newly installed AC units. So all the AC units that I'm showing will be included in your under 100,000. An amazing deal here. We have 1 bedroom and a closet, one of the 4 actually, and then the second out of 4th bedroom. Here we are, walking through the closet, put all your beautiful clothes, and then the first bathroom, shower, sink, everything, and the 3rd bedroom out of the 4th, and the closet. So all 3 bedrooms are right here out of the 4, and then we have our beautiful wood kitchen, and that is where our AC unit will be installed very shortly, as soon as they finish up in our thrill. And here again is the master bedroom for the Marvel. The master bathroom, you guys, me, the shower, and the amazing spacious closet. So again, this is the Marvel. We are currently having AC units being put in, which is why we're here today, to show you how the process goes, because at Boston, we're all about transparency. So there is our AC unit. Once again, all 3 homes that I'm showing right now will receive an AC unit very shortly. And again, skirting, decks, pavement, and these newly installed AC units are all going to be part of your 100,000. And then you have this back deck over here. We're gonna go through this one. And again, AC units are currently being installed. And then our 3rd home that we are showing today here at Walzem Park is the Bach oven. This is lot 217, and this is a 3-bed, 2-bath. This is our beautiful Bach oven. So 3-bed, 2-bath, 1,475 square feet once again. And again, double wide, like all the homes I'm showing here are all double wides. And again, this price is marked down again to under 100,000. So here is our kitchen. And a second living space. Here's the first. Put a nice dining table, have some nice fine family dinners over here. A back porch once again. 1 bathroom out of the 2, and then 1 bedroom out of the 3. And a spacious closet for those shoes and those clothes. And another bedroom here. And again, all of these homes are walkable and seeable in our open house this Saturday. The kitchen, front door, our AC units currently being put in, and it looks like we're having some technical difficulties due to the heat out there, which is exactly why we want to make sure that our AC units are put in and available for our open house on Saturday. So we want to make sure that all of these houses are cool and fresh for all of our customers to be able to enjoy the open house. And again, at this open house, you'll be seeing all 3 of the houses that we just showed here at Walzem Park. You'll be seeing the Thrill, the Marvel, and the Bach oven. Here is the master bedroom and bathroom and closet, and those are the 3 homes that you'll be able to see again in our open house this Saturday at Walzem Park. And Walzem Park has a bunch of amenities for you guys to enjoy. These beautiful double wides are all, again, under 100,000. And this price includes skirting, decks, pavement, and the newly installed AC unit that you are seeing currently being put in right now. So again, these are our most affordable homes on the market right now. They're all under 100,000 for double wides, and these are our last 3 here in Walzem Park. So if you want to be able to enjoy these beautiful homes in this beautiful park with many amenities, you definitely can. If you're interested, if this sounds like something you would want to enjoy, if you want to check out our newly installed AC units, you can see they're installing the panel down there. you can enjoy this all on July 15th, this Saturday at 10 a.m. to 2 p.m. You can come enjoy the homes, the AC, get out of this yucky hot heat, and enjoy our fresh air in our new AC units in our homes. So that was all 3 homes. Again, you have the Thrill down there, the Marvel right here, and the Bach oven, and our AC units that they're currently installing. So thank you guys everyone for watching. We really hope to see as many as you can on Saturday and enjoy this amazing AC. So thank you guys so much for watching. Hopefully see you soon.